Star Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, destination, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and its revenue and customer also. As you can see on the screen, here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by your stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Music, credit cards, and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.